They say they want to bring me in guilty for the killing of a deputy, for the life of a deputy. But I say,
I shot the sheriff,
but I swear it was in self-defense.
I shot the sheriff,
And they say it is a capital offense. Sheriff John Brown always hated me for what I don't know. And every time that I plant a seed, he said kill it before it grows. He said kill it before it grows. I say,
I shot the sheriff,
but I swear it